In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the Huddle background in Slack. Many of us spend a good portion of our day on Slack, collaborating with our teams and staying connected. As more meetings turn virtual, having an engaging and personalized background for your Slack huddle can really add a touch of professionalism or fun, depending on what you're going for. So let's dive right in and see how you can easily set up and customize your huddle background. First, let's start from the Slack homepage. This is your main hub where you see all your channels and direct messages. What you want to do here is navigate to the specific channel where you intend to start your huddle. So go ahead and click on the channel of your choice. Once you have opened the channel, you can explore some of the options available to you by clicking on the drop-down menu, usually found towards the top of the conversation window. In this drop-down, you'll find a variety of options, and the one we're interested in today is Start a Huddle. Click on it to begin a huddle session. This is essentially Slack's way of enabling quick and spontaneous voice and video meetings without the formality of scheduled calls. Now that your huddle has begun, you'll notice more controls that you can adjust. Look for the three dots icon, typically situated along the bottom of your screen. Clicking on this will open up additional settings. Among these options, you'll see video background. This is where the fun begins. Selecting this will allow you to make adjustments to your video setting. Once there, you have the option to click on blur for those times you'd like to keep the focus on you and not what's happening in your background. Beyond just the blur option, you can select other available backgrounds Slack provides. Simply browse through the available backgrounds and choose the one that best matches your setting or mood. You might even want to experiment by mixing and matching different options to find the perfect backdrop for your meeting. If you wish to go a step further and apply a specific theme, you can again click the three dots icon to explore more options. This time select Choose a Huddle theme. Similar to choosing a video background, selecting a theme allows for even more personalization. Once you've decided on a theme, don't forget to click on Set Theme to finalize your selection. Remember, these visual adjustments do more than just personalize, they can also help express your personality or keep meetings lively. So take your time and have fun experimenting with these settings. And there you have it, your newly customized Huddle experience on Slack. Thank you for watching and happy huddling.